Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Claude AI on your MacBook. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac, whether it's Safari, Chrome, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Claude AI and click on the official website, claude.ai. Once you're on the website, if you're already logged in, go to the bottom left corner, click on your profile icon, and log out. Then refresh the page. Now, you should see the option to download the Claude desktop app for Mac. Click on it, and the download will begin. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the .dmg file. When the installer window appears, simply drag the Claude app into your Applications folder. And that's it. The app is now installed on your Mac. You can close the installer window and move it to the trash to keep your system clean. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch Claude. If you see a security pop-up, just click Open. That's completely normal. Now click on Get Started, sign in with your Google account or email, and you're good to go. And just like that, Claude AI is installed and ready to use on your Mac. Quick, simple, and right from your desktop. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.